Dzień dobry. Mój podróżkowiec jest pełen węgorza. This is Montownia. This is where we're staying for the next 2 nights. Check it out. Scarlett's going to be sleeping up here. And get up here. That's Scarlett's bed. Oh, there's no bed in, Scarlett. You haven't got any bedding?
We'll find it. It'll be somewhere.
We'll have to ask them. This is going to be my bed. Look, it's all open plan. It's a loft apartment. Got a sofa and tables. We're right next to the shipyards in Gdańsk. That's where we're at. TV, kitchen area. What else we got, Scarlett?
Safe.
A safe. Wardrobes. And check out the bathroom. Wow, palatial. Nice shower, look. Mirror with a light, toilets, towels. Yeah, this is costing £158 for 2 nights. I think that's okay for what we're getting. But we're gonna ask them for some, we're gonna have to ask them for some bedding for you, aren't we?
We'll find out.
There's no bedding.
It'll be somewhere.
I think they think we're both keeping in there. We'll have to explain that we're not.
Yeah.
Anyway, let me take you out into the building and show you what it looks like. Come on. Let's go. Look at this. How cool is it? Look at that. That's the restaurant downstairs under the glass. Look at that. Look at how big this place is. Duja. Let's go to the end and I'll show you the shot. Party. Look at that. And we have a coffee machine. I'm gonna try the coffee. It's just made for me. Is that finished?
Yeah.
I don't think we need to stir it, Scarlett.
Well.
What? Take the spoon out.
It's gonna be hot, man.
Oh, it's really strong. It's really good. There's a bar downstairs as well. We'll go down and show you the bar. Here's the bar area and the food hall. You've got literally every kind of food you can think of in here. Let's have a look. Fries, sushi, whatever that is. Let's go, look at that. Octopus tentacles. Right, Greek food, seafood, noodles, cakey things, curry, Mexican, pizza and pasta, Polish, I think. Green egg, yeah, look at that. We've got pretty much every choice of every kind of food we can think of in here. But what do you think? Do you want to eat here or go down to the food squat? Look at how big this place is, look. Look at it, it runs the entire length of the building. This food hall. Green egg. What's that one about? Yeah, look, outdoor seating area, look. Yeah, this is Montownia. Pretty cool, yeah. And we're going to go and see the robots. Right, this was Montownia. We're going to go down and see the robots down by the shipyards. See you in a bit. I'm back with my friends, the robots. These are my mates. I met them here last year. Quick look at the robots. This is down by the shipyards. A local metal sculptor has made all these. There's more in the water as well. Okay, so I thought I'd better show you breakfast at MONTOWNIA. I've got the omelette with avocado and the bacon and the salad, coffee and an orange juice. All that came to 58 zloty, that's that. Let's try the omelette. Right, let's go for it. Oh, it's got cheese in it as well. Nice omelette, yeah. Now, oh, bacon's nice and crispy the way I like it, nice and crunchy. Well done. That's exactly how I like my bacon. Coffee's nice and strong. Orange juice is nice and orangey. Yeah, this is cool. If you want to get breakfast in MONTOWNIA, you come back to the food hall and you go to Green Egg. That's where you get the breakfast. The menu's all in Polish. You got to translate it with your Google Lens on your phone. That's what I did. Okay, so it took Scarlett all morning to get ready, so we decided we're going to have lunch here in the food hall, right here. And we decided it's Indian curry day. We're going to get food from Curry Leaves. So I've ordered the mutton gunter, which has got 2 chilies, so it's a spicy one. Scarlett's got the paneer street 65. That's got 1 chili. Says it's a hot sauce, so we'll see what it turns out like. And we've got the mango smoothies. What do you think of the mango smoothie? Good? Smooth. The food cost 137 zloty. That's... We'll let you know what it's like. So, we got the food. Which one is which?
This is street 65, this is spicy, and this one is guntur. How are you, maybe?
The mutton, with the mutton gunter. So, you want to say hi to the world?
Hi, how are you? Yeah, all the best.
Do you like living in Poland?
Yes.
Yeah? Very much? Are you all from India?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah?
We are very famous in Poland.
Yeah, are you really?
Yeah. So very good food. We have 7-8 restaurants.
This is the best Indian food in Poland?
Yes, yes.
Right, well we're gonna find out. Right, Scarlett's trying the paneer street 65. What's the initial reaction? Is it too spicy or okay?
No, it's okay.
How's the garlic bread?
It's good.
Can I just try a little bit of garlic bread so it's like...
Fine.
Yeah. Let me sample this. Right, this one looks like a tomatoey one. That's not too spicy at all, that's alright. Oh, hang on. It's got an after kick, hasn't it? It has got an after kick. Right, hang on. This one's got 2 chilies, so this one's supposed to be hotter. It's the gunter. Has it got an after kick? Bit of an after kick, yeah. Oh, that's got a lot of chilies in it. Right, let's try the lemon rice with the gunter. It's spicy, but it's alright for me. I can handle curries like this. It's really good, actually. Apparently this is the best Indian food in Poland. These guys have got to change. So, if you're ever in Poland, go to Curry Leaves. What do you think? Good? The mango smoothie helps to cool your mouth down after you've eaten the curry. I haven't tried the mutton, have I? Let's try the mutton. Oh, that's well cooked, that's really good. Oh, what about the paneer, Scarlett? Let me see you chewing it. You're not playing ball? Yeah, mouthful of curry and then smoothies, good combination, man. I found the red chili, let's go with it. But now, man, I can handle that. It had an afterkick. It's spiced the underside of my tongue there. That's burning under there. Really hot. I'm having to use this to cool it down. This curry's getting me kind of emotional. I'm starting to cry a bit here. It's making me cry. But I need to eat it. The Gunter, it's a hot one. Beware. This was MONTOWNIA. Room's very good. Staff are really nice. The food is awesome. That's probably the best Indian food I've eaten in Poland, and I've eaten Indian food a few times in Poland, so yeah, check out those guys. Indian leaves. And the omelette and breakfast was nice as well. Everything's been good. Everything's been good. Can you fault it?
No.
You can't fault it for anything?
No.
We got... They never gave us any milk, did they? For the coffee. We're not going to fault them for that though, are we?
No.
So, want to get yourself a loft apartment in Gdańsk? Come here, MONTOWNIA. We recommend it. See you in the next video. Peace. That's probably the best Indian food I've ever eaten in Poland, actually. I've eaten Indian here on a few times. Fuck, man. That's probably the best Indian food I've eaten in Poland, and that's probably the best Indian food I've eaten in Poland.